Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today I'm excited to share with you an indicator that I truly believe could be one of the most accurate trend filters available on TradingView. Haters might not like it, but it has the earliest entry signals more than any other price action, ICT, SMC, or any other strategy. We're going to dive into what this indicator is, the best settings to use, and even combine it with other technical indicators to create a comprehensive trading strategy just for you. So if you find value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let's jump right in. All right, so first things first, let's talk about how you can get your hands on this powerful indicator called the EMA Trend Meter. You'll need to head over to TradingView, the charting platform we'll be using today. If you haven't signed up yet, no worries. I've got a link for you down in the video description. Once you're there, load up your preferred trading security on any time frame. For today's demonstration, I'll be using the 15-minute time frame of the gold chart. Then, simply click on Indicators. Search for EMA Trend Meter created by this amazing author and add it to your chart. Easy peasy. Now let's talk about what exactly the EMA Trend Meter is. Essentially, it's a technical trading tool that combines multiple exponential moving averages and the stochastic RSI to give you insights into market trends and potential trading opportunities. Let's break down its components and functionality a bit further. The EMA Trend Meter uses 3 different EMAs to capture trends over short, medium, and long-term periods. The default settings for these EMAs are 7, 14, and 21 periods, but you can adjust these settings to fit the specific characteristics of the security you're analyzing. By tweaking these numbers, you can customize the sensitivity of the indicator to either detect recent price changes or capture longer-term trends. Pretty cool, right? Now let's get into how the indicator works. We're going to tweak some settings together, so follow along with me. We'll adjust the baseline length to 13, the fast EMA to 21, the medium EMA to 34, and the slow EMA to 55. Then head over to the Style tab and disable the first shapes option. This will give us a clear view of the EMA baseline. The EMA baseline essentially compares these 3 EMAs against a 13-period EMA, forming the foundation of the indicator. Here's the gist: when the 21-period EMA is above the 13-period EMA, a row of squares will be colored green, indicating bullish sentiment. Conversely, when the 21-period EMA falls below the 13-period EMA, the row will turn red, signaling a bearish sentiment. The same logic applies to the 34-period and 55-period EMAs. Simple enough, right? Now let's talk about how we can use this indicator to identify bullish and bearish trends in the market. It's quite straightforward. To filter out the trend, we want all 3 rows of EMAs to be the same color. For a bullish trend, we need all 3 rows to be green, and for a bearish trend, we need them to be red. It's a quick and easy way to gauge market sentiment. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's add another indicator to our chart to craft a simple trading strategy. Head back to the Indicator Search tab and type in Stochastic Momentum Index. This indicator will complement our EMA Trend Meter nicely. Now that we have both indicators on our chart, let's talk about the Stochastic Momentum Index's role in our strategy. This indicator helps us identify bullish and bearish momentum in the market, which is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Pay close attention to the white line, known as the stochastic oscillator. When it dips below the lower blue line, it indicates a decline in bullish momentum, and vice versa. Crossovers between the white line and the red line signal changes in momentum, giving us valuable insights into market dynamics. All right, now that we have our indicators set up, let's dive into a trade example to see how this strategy plays out in the real world. To initiate a long trade, we first need to identify a bullish trend using the EMA Trend Meter. We want all 3 rows of EMAs to be colored green, indicating a strong upward trend. Next, we look for a pullback within this bullish trend. The Stochastic Momentum Index comes into play here. We're watching for the white line to dip below the lower blue line, signaling a decline in bullish momentum and a potential pullback. Once the white line crosses back above the red line, confirming the end of the pullback, and this crossover happens above the -40 level, we have our entry signal. For our stop loss, we will place it below the most recent swing low, and for the take profit, we'll target 2 times the risk. And as you can see, the trade hits our take profit, resulting in a profitable outcome. Let's take a closer look at another long example. As you can see, the market was clearly in a bullish trend, with all 3 rows of EMS colored green. We then witnessed a pullback indicated by the stochastic momentum index, with the white line dipping below the lower blue line and crossing back above the red line above the -40 level. With all our entry conditions met, we enter a long position. Now let's talk about short positions. To initiate a short trade, we essentially do the opposite of what we did for long trades. We want to identify a bearish trend using the EMA trend meter with all 3 rows of EMAS colored red. We then look for a rally within this bearish trend indicated by the stochastic momentum index. We're watching for the white line to rise above the upper blue line, signaling an increase in bearish momentum and a potential rally. Once the white line crosses below the red line, confirming the end of the rally, and this crossover happens below the +40 level, we have our entry signal. For our stop loss, we'll place it above the most recent swing high, and for the take profit, we'll target 2 times the risk. And once again, the trade hits our take profit, resulting in a profitable outcome. Let's take a look at another short example. Again, we see the market in a clear bearish trend with all 3 rows of EMAS colored red. We then witness a rally indicated by the stochastic momentum index, with the white line rising above the upper blue line and crossing back below the red line below the +40 level. With all our entry conditions met, we enter a short position. In conclusion, the EMA trend meter combined with the stochastic momentum index offers traders a powerful tool for analyzing trends and identifying trading opportunities. However, remember that this strategy is not financial advice. Always do your back testing and forward testing before trading with real money. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and happy trading.